Hello students, today we will see another topic. The topic name actually is Ace the Race. What is its name? It's Ace the, oh sorry, just a minute. I'll erase it with this eraser. The topic name is Ace the Race. RACE, race. What is this topic actually? Ace the Race. So, we will today learn something about cars, vehicles, all the buses on the road every day. We will learn something new today, okay, about these. Let us see. So, we see many cars, vehicles, buses on the road every day, right? You even through your window of your homes where you are living, you can also see many cars, many vehicles, many buses, two-wheelers, trucks, all these things. But have you ever wondered how cars and vehicles run? Hmm? Did you had this question before? How cars, vehicles, and other things run? Let us see. Okay. Before going forward, I am having an activity for you. Let us see what that activity is. What you will require is you will require two straws. Wait a minute, I'll change the color. Uh, let's say I'll take black. Okay. So you'll require two straws. You'll require four toothpicks, a thick chart paper, and a glue or a fevistick. Now, what you will do now? So you will pierce holes at both ends of two straws using a toothpick. Okay, two straws at the both ends of the pierce the holes at both ends of the two straws using a toothpick. Glue the straws side by side and let the toothpick pass through the holes at the end of the straws to make the base of the car. Okay, so you are now making a car. Let's say and cut the circles from the chart paper and stick two to three circles together to make four wheels. Yes, take the base of the car, put the wheels and both the ends of the straws. Toothpick passing through the hole on the wheel, and you are good to go. So I'll explain you what you'll do. See here, there is this straw. Okay, so if this is a straw, this will also be a straw. These are two straws. Okay, so what you'll do is you will pierce toothpicks like this. Okay, so these are straws and these are toothpicks. And for here at the ends of toothpicks, you will make four wheels like this, and you will make your own car like this way. Okay, you can do it, and this car will run now. So, what are the parts of a car? You can see this car here up above, the red color car. What are its parts actually? Let us see. So, cars have three main parts. First, its mechanical body, that is to keep everything in place. Then second is engine to produces the uh, it produces energy, not fuel. Fuel is wrong here. It produces energy for car to run. It gives the energy. It gives the energy for car to run. And wheels. So it helps the car to move forward. What are the three parts? First is mechanical body, which keeps everything together. Okay. Second is the engine. What does engine do? It gives energy for the car to run. Okay. And third one are the wheels. What does wheels do? They drive the car forward. Okay. They drive the car forward. Now, this is what I have discussed previously. The procedure and all other things, materials, two straws, four toothpicks, thick chart paper, and a glue stick. I discussed this previously when I explained the cards. Now, the result, the two straws form the base of the car. Like I mentioned, let us go back. Okay, here. The these two straws will form the base of the car, isn't it? Yes, they will form the base of the car. Then the toothpicks give support to the car while the motions. So it also help to connect the wheels. Correct? These toothpicks gives the base to the car. They connect tires together. Okay, and the circular shape of wheels allows the car to run smoothly. So that your car will run smoothly. It it will run very smoothly. Now, think time. If one of the toothpicks break while moving, the car will stop. So as we know, toothpicks give support to the car and connect the wheels. Now, if the toothpick is broken, the wheels won't be connected and hence the wheels won't move and car will stop abruptly. What it means is that if the toothpick breaks in between, what will happen? That is the think time for all of you. I already gave its answer. We will revise it again. If the toothpick breaks again, what happens is the car will stop because wheels cannot rotate now. Okay, wheels will not rotate. Hmm. Okay, so there is discussion on this. Okay, so let us discuss it. The circular shape of wheels and tires ensure that the vehicle can move fast. Wheels help the car move by rolling smoothly. Like I said, wheels are like this. Okay, wheels are circular in shape. So what will happen is they uh, they can move the vehicle in forward direction. Okay, the circular shape is most appropriate as they can maintain a uniform and smooth contact with the surface, isn't it? This constant contact with the road surface provides the wheels and tires with a grip. Okay, the wheels and tires are this provides a good grip on the ground. Any other shape other than round, such as triangle, square, or rectangle, which has edge, would dig in the road. Okay, for example, let's say this is a tire. Okay, this is a circle. But now, if I let's say if I used a square tire like this, if instead over here, instead of this round tire, there is a square tire like this, will the vehicle move forward? No, it will get stuck over here, over the corners, over the edges over here. Okay, these are the corners of the square. So it would get stuck over here. Okay, and this would make the vehicle slow. Getting it? So this was only for discussion. I hope you like it. Thank you.